Hey Mark, I just wanted to show you. This is an example of how we can hide some blemishes in the wood. So this lid is for 1947. No, this is pre-war, 1941, 22-foot utility, and the planks had opened up in the plank seam, and a lot. And this is the engine hatch. They'd open up maybe 1/8 of an inch. So we splined them with new material, and so the new material didn't take the stain quite as well as the surrounding material. So what I'm doing is I'm coloring this in with one of a group of markers, so that we can get the color to where this wood disappears. This is how you do it, rather than change all the wood, which the rest of the wood's in great shape. So change all the wood in the engine hatch. This is how we do it. So I'm going to be in your area, hopefully, probably, in the next month or so. And if you would like, I'll get rid of those blemishes if that hasn't already been done. I wasn't well prepared the last time I was in the area. I thought I could buy what I needed there, and was unable to get what I needed. So so I just wanted to show you this process of making this line disappear, and that can be done with lines that go across the grain and so forth. You might also notice we got a little bit right here. We have a little bit of sanding. We sanded through, and just barely sanded through the sealer, and now that spot is gone. Let's see if I can find another spot here to show you. But oh, well, here's a spot that's just a little bit light right here. Let me get a little bit. Oh, there we go. Maybe a little better close-up of it. And we can make that spot disappear. I need to wait a little longer to wipe it off this time. And then what we do is, with a can of spray varnish, we do what we call lock in the color. We lock in the new color with the can of spray varnish, and then we go ahead and use conventional varnish over the top of all that. The spray varnish keeps the conventional varnish, the solvents in the conventional varnish, from lifting the color that we just put in. So that's how that works. Just wanted to show you that process. And like I say, I'm going to be in the area. I can fix those spots for you if you'd like. And stay there in a hotel in Penn Yan. All right, sir. Just wanted to share that with you. Thank you very much.